Hey, many students spend their weekends doing nothing. They just sit on the couch and watch TV and browse on social media, because of which, by the end of the day, they don't even know how the time has passed. We know you must be thinking that weekends are for relaxation, but trust us, if you are a student, then you can use your weekend effectively and this will help you to score good marks in the exam. So, if you want to know how exactly you can spend your weekend productively, then do watch this video till the end, because in this video we are going to discuss 5 activities that will help you to be super productive on the weekend. So, tune in till the end. Number 1. Take a nature walk. We know that students' lives are hectic, and in order to stay calm and fresh, relaxing and rejuvenating the mind is very important for them. So, take some time out on your weekend and visit a park or a nature park and take a gasp of fresh air and let your lungs enjoy it, because it has been proven that taking a walk in nature makes your mind more alert, creative and helps you in problem solving. Number 2. Plan your upcoming week. If you want to make your upcoming weekdays productive, then take some time out and think of the activities that you're going to do during the upcoming week. Once done, take a sheet of paper and make a to-do list of the upcoming tasks that you have to accomplish. Doing this will give you a clarity, and such pre-planning will make your weekdays a lot more easier to handle. Number 3. Take good sleep. Due to the hectic life, most of the students don't get enough sleep during weekdays. If that's your case, then sleep a little more than usual so that your body and mind can relax. Also, getting an adequate amount of sleep on the weekend will help you to recharge your body and will freshen your mind for the coming weekdays. Number 4. Focus on your health. We know due to studies, classes and homework, students don't get enough time for doing some exercise, because of which they end up getting a little fat and lazy. So, make a habit of doing exercises on your weekends. Also, make sure that you are eating some healthy and nutritious food. Doing this constantly every week will make you and your mind more stronger, which will indirectly improve your focus and dedication towards the studies. Number 5. Socialize a bit. Hang out with your friends and share about how your weekend was. If you are facing any problem in life, then share it with them and ask for solutions. But remember, don't hang out with a toxic friend who brings you down, because you become the average of 5 people whom you spend your most time with. Choose your group of friends wisely. So these were the tips that will make your weekend super productive. Also, if you want to know the habits of a topper, then do watch this video till the end. Until then, goodbye.